Oh my God, I'm so tired. Just waking up. Oh, wait a minute. It doesn't even look like it's morning time anymore. I'm going to be late. Oh my gosh, what time is it? Oh my gosh, I'm going to be late for work. I got to go. Oh my gosh, what am I going to do? Oh my gosh, I have no idea what I'm going to do. I need something to eat. Oh my gosh, the dishes are dirty. There's nothing clean. There's nothing to eat. Let's see if I got anything in here that's ready to eat. Vitamin C, I don't think so. Peanut butter. Man, I gotta go. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get fired. Hot sauce, potato chips. There's nothing, this isn't gonna work. This isn't breakfast food. You know, what am I gonna do? I gotta go to work. I don't wanna be late for work. I'll get fired. I've got a great idea for you. A great breakfast idea. Lots of nutrition. They're great. Rising up, straight to your feet. Waking up, getting ready to face the day. But before you do that, you must eat a good meal to survive. It's the Tony Tiger, it's the crunch of the bite, rising up to your breakfast in the morning. And if just one chopped banana, it will taste oh so right, and you will be a star in the eye of Tony Tiger. They're great. Oh, in the eye of Tony Tiger. They're great. Oh, in the eye of Tony Tiger. They're great. It's a great breakfast idea for anyone. The eye of Tony Tiger. They're great. Oh, in the eye of Tony Tiger. They're great. Great nutrition. In the eye of Tony Tiger. They're great. Get your nutrition. Earn your stripes. Oh, in the eye of Tony Tiger. Adults too, not just for kids. They're great.